Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to verify your GoDaddy domain in Google Search Console. Alright, let's begin. First, open GoDaddy and go to My Products, where you will see all your domains. Next, go to Google Search Console. The easiest way is to just Google Search Console and click the first link. Once you're there, click the drop-down menu and select Add Property. Choose the domain option, then paste your GoDaddy domain into the box and click Continue. Google will try to verify the domain, but it won't succeed yet because verification is not complete. Now, Google will provide instructions for GoDaddy verification. You should see an option to connect directly to GoDaddy. Just click Connect, and it will automatically link your domain. This makes the verification process very simple. If you use Namecheap or Hostinger, there are other methods to verify domains. After connecting, Google Search Console will verify your ownership within a few seconds. So that's basically how you can verify your GoDaddy domain in Google Search Console. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.